Okay, Lily and Johnny are going to teach you how to use the box strategy for division.
So first you make your box, and then you make a line through it, and then second you put your
6 by the line and the 4, and then you put the 4 at the side, and you have to write the multiples of 4
9 times. Then you
Ask yourself which multiple is equal to or less than 6. So
You-
which of our multiples is equal to or less than 6?
the multiples that are equal to or less than of 6 is 4. So you subtract 6 by 4. And that equals 2.
You put the
So then you put
first.
the 2 at the top.
Which multiple of 4 is 4? That's
Then 1.
1.
the first multiple. Good. Okay.
Then you go down to the multiples, and you see which multiple is either less than or equal to 24.
Okay.
And the number that's equal or less than 24 is 24.
So then 24 minus 24 equals 0.
6.
Okay, so up top, 6?
6.
Why?
Because it's a 6 multiple.
Perfect. Now how do we check it to make sure we're right?
Partial product.
Use a partial product, okay. So 16 times 4, how would I use a partial product?
10 and 6 times 4.
Then you do 10 times 4 plus 6 times 4.
Then you
10 times 4 equals 40.
and then 6 times 4 equals
24.
Then you add 40 to 24 and see if it makes 64.